Ever wonder what it's really like to be a teacher? It's not just about grading papers or delivering lessons. Teachers juggle a million tasks every day, from keeping students engaged to handling unexpected surprises. In today's skit, we're diving into a day in the life of a teacher where every moment is an adventure and no 2 days are ever the same. Stay tuned as we explore the highs, the lows, and the laughs that make teaching truly unforgettable.
Good morning, Teacher Ara.
Good morning, Mrs. Tabag.
Pwede ko ba makausap mamaya? I have something concerned about my child, Sally.
Yes, Mrs. Tabag. Just come to my classroom and
Okay, sige ma'am. Thank you po.
see you later.
Mamara, iniwan ko po sa table mo yung mga papel na pinapapirmahan ni Ma'am Orintin. Huwag niyo pong kakalimutan.
Sige, Roy. Salamat. Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, teacher. Okay, I know it's early and we're all a little sleepy, but today, I need your full energy, ha?
Teacher, medyo antok pa po ako. Can you start later?
Lahat tayo, princess, kasi lutang na utak ko yung mata ko.
I understand, pero alam nyo ba, being a teacher is a constant battle between coffee and patience. Good morning, Miss Salcedo.
Good morning, Miss Ara. I just want to remind you later, 3 p.m. na may meeting ang department natin.
Okay, Miss Salcedo, thank you.
Okay, see you. Goodbye!
Teacher, kamusta naman? Parang energized pa po kayo eh.
Ayan na nga. Pero minsan, kahit caffeinated, parang yung utak ko magulo. Pero pag kayo, yung students ko, ayos lang. Kayang-kaya.
Teacher, I swear, when I grow up, I want to be a teacher too. You make everything look easy.
Totoo, teacher. We see you laughing with us. Pero I'm sure you stress too, di ba?
Well, hindi naman lahat perfect. Hindi yan smooth sailing. Minsan, may up and downs. Pero yung ganitong moments with you guys, worth it.
Para po kayong superhero, teacher. Lagi po kayong nandyan to help us.
Superhero? Baka nga. Pero instead of saving the world, I'm saving your grades.
Teacher, I swear, you have the patience of a saint. How do you do it?
I do it sa grace ni God and because I believe in all of you. Every lesson, every challenge, lahat yan, part of our journey together.
Pero teacher, minsan talaga ang hirap. Yung exam niyo po, parang may mystery.
I know, pero you know, I don't make those exams to scare you, but to prepare you for the real world. You face challenges, but you have to face them head on.
True, ang saya lang kasi yung mga challenges. We get through them together.
Exactly, and kahit na may mga bad days tayo, masaya pa rin ako. Seeing you guys grow, parang yun yung payback ko na rin. Okay, let's go to our lesson na.
Teacher, parang yung mga struggles namin, mas magaan kasi naalala namin kayo to guide us.
And you guys are the reason why I keep going. Hindi lang sa pagtuturo, but in life. We all learn together. Alright class, let's go ahead and finish the day strong. Let's keep up the good work and remember, kahit gaano ka busy, always smile. Teacher!